When picking out your makeup, it's super important to get makeup that matches your undertone, even if you have the depth right in terms of fairness or deepness. If it's not the right undertone, it's not going to match your décolleté and the rest of your face. So you want to make sure that you're picking makeup that really suits your skin tone. The best way to understand your skin tone really is to see a professional, but there are a few quick tips and tricks of the trade that can help you figure out your undertone. First and foremost, there are two main skin tone undertones, although there really are many more. The main ones being pink and yellow, red or golden is how you might hear them described. There is such a thing as olive, there is totally neutral, there are a lot more, but those are the two main ones. In order to figure out which undertone you are, there are a couple quick tips. The first trick is to look at your skin. Is it more of a pink-blue undertone or is it more yellow-orange? It's pretty intuitive. If it's pink-blue, you have pink undertones. If it's yellow-orange, you have yellow undertones. Another trick is to look at the veins in the inside of your arm or even at your wrist. If they're more green, you probably are yellow golden undertoned. If they're more blue, you're probably a pink red undertone. The last quick tip is to think about the types of colors you wear as well as the jewelry you wear. If you tend to go with more golds and oranges and really warm colors, you're probably a golden undertone. If you tend to go with more cool purples, mauves, silvers, you're probably then a pink cool undertone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. See you next time. Bye.